boat ride for 4. Now who will I take? Nick, Dan, and Lazwah. Cool.
We got our twin drums and our flippy floppies. It's the best boat party, they be making copies. It's the party of the year, y'all can place your bets. DJ playing tunes, getting all the girls wet. This ain't no land party, it's as real as it gets. It's the party on the year, don't you ever forget. We're on the boat.